inkproducts.com has now released a new CIS system for the HP Officejet Pro 8700 series. I'm going to show you how to install it, how simple it is. This is the first continuous ink system for the new models that take the HP 952 cartridges. Very simple to install. Open up the front, have the HP cartridges come over. Now you'll be placing a hose bracket right here. Just presses right down like that. There's going to be another one on the outside. The hose is going to come up, over, go down and in. So once you unplug it, you'll be able to move it by hand and do hose travel. Now you can take them out. Now after you balance the isobaric chamber on our ink system, our black tower system, make sure all the plugs are in till the cartridges are in the printer. You're going to pick them up, one solid block, and then you go down and you're going to take your time sliding them in. And once you get them in, take your time. Now these cartridges hold a lot of ink, so does the ink tank itself. And we're going to push it all the way over to the left. Then I'll place the hose into the hose bracket. Get it down in there, like that. You got the hose coming off, bracket here, and then you're going to pull this all the way back. You go all the way over to the right now. Okay. Hose is going to come up. Now, when you're closing it, these things are in the way, so the hose has to go above it like that. And then you'll be able to close the door. I'm rocking it like this. It gets all the ink out of the isobaric chamber. I can stand it up. I'm going to open up the air vents in the tank. They stay open all the time. The only time you close them is when you're going to fill the cartridges. It goes right next to the printer like that. That's it. I've already installed it. Now we're going to turn it on. When you turn it on, it's going to say you're using non-HP cartridges, and you just have to go through the sequence to say you're going to accept them. Then you got to plug it back in. It's also going to complain that you've unplugged the printer. Can't shut it off, you have to unplug it. Now I've had this system in. I've run a lot of copies because for the video I want to show you how you reset the ink levels. So I just say OK, and then it'll continue. See, now I've been running it a lot because these chips that we're using are Super XXL chips, so it takes a lot. I've run a couple thousand copies so far. That's what I've been doing. Solid color. So now I'm going to continue, and then it's going to tell me that it's out of ink, and I'm going to show you how you can just reset it. It's very simple. It keeps running. As long as you keep ink in the tank and the cartridges, it'll keep printing. It's going to say it indicates that cartridge is low, but do not replace it. Do not take it out at this time. And if you do take it out, you could damage the chip. So you don't want to take it out. It'll shut you down, then you're going to take it out. Actually, you're not even going to take it out. You're going to unclick it and then click it back in to reset it. You don't have to physically take it out. Showing you, and this is important. Wait till it says it's depleted. If you, like I said, take it out too early, well then you could damage the chip, and then you'll have to replace that chip. So pay attention to this. This is important. The ink gauge is showing all my colors, and my magenta is low. Low is what they're trying to tell you. Don't take it out when it's low. You're going to see when it comes up, it's going to say depleted instead of low. And then push on the cartridge, bring it over, lift it up. It's going to pop out a little bit. Wait a second, push it back in, and that ink level will reset back up. Now, I've been running a lot of solid reds because I'm trying to get these chips to come up so I can show you how to reset it. I mean, I've been running lots of heavy prints, lots of them. I had to take some of them, move them because they're there. So now I'll set it for another 50 and see what happens. Of course, we've got plenty of ink in the cartridge. We've got our Black Tower system, and we're running all these solid magentas. Plus I ran all of this stuff and a lot more to try to get it to code out and say it's depleted. The problem, the biggest problem we have is that it's the chip. It has nothing to do with the amount of ink you have in your cartridge. So when these printers think that that cartridge is out of ink, which is never out of ink, it's going to shut you down and make you replace it. Now this is going to pop up on the screen. It says used or counterfeit cartridges. They don't guarantee it. Say okay. I'm going to hit print. Keeps giving me that message. An incompatible cartridge. I'll open up. I come over. Remove it just a little bit. Put it back in. I don't want it hanging up on that yellow hose. Take it out, put it back in, and close it up. It's going to go to check cartridge. Not guaranteed. It'll go into I can hear it charging, and there it is, the magenta set back up again. That's some of the stuff you just have to go through when that happens. Some will say depleted, some will just make you go in a circle till you remove the cartridge and put it back in. But I've been printing a couple thousand sheets of everything just to try to get these chips to show that for the video. Of pages. That much blue and that much yellow on a page is like you printing 500 pages, because all this has been printed with our new CIS continuous ink system. Come back over here. Let's bring up the ink level. Here's your cyan. It's back up again. So go to inkproducts.com for the latest refill kit, which has the same chips. You supply the cartridges and the chips, or our continuous ink system. We call it the Black Tower system. For the wide format HP Officejet Pro 7720 series. This is a wide format printer, so if that's what you're looking for, HP's got a wide format printer now. It'll do 13 by 19. We have it here and they tested it. Tested our Black Tower CIS system, and it just works fantastic. Simple to install, just like the other ones. One bracket, come on out. It's already got a little thing in the door so you just close it up. And then the CIS Black Tower will sit on the outside. You can view how much ink you have. So this is another new product. We're going to do just about every one that takes the HP 952 cartridge. So go to inkproducts.com.